How's it going, everybody? How are you? Oh, the sun's warm on my back. The sun's very warm. So yeah, there you go. There is the Balti. It's which way? There we go. Stand in front of the sun. Nice rich Balti. Big pot, as you can see. And yeah, the post that I've just put. I mean, you look at the size of that Balti, and once you have the spices, you know, the initial here, there's, and you don't need probably a teaspoon each. You don't need a lot of them to create the flavour, or many different flavours of Balti masala. You know, the most popular ones, pathia as well. And if you add honey and a few chilies, you can take it to that level. Jalfrezi. They all come from the same sort of base sauce and the same spices. It's how much spice and for the heat, like the ginger, the chilies, the paprika. So yeah, the herb that I put in there, by the way, if you notice the photographs, is coriander, chopped coriander. But if you're American, it's cilantro. Yeah. Oh well. So yeah, and you add rice, and if you do your own naan bread, which is just flour, vegetable oil, black pepper, garlic, coriander, and it's cheaply done. Then it's not expensive food to make, and all they do is you see they have these great big clay ovens. How do they bollocks? Yeah, maybe back in India and that have the clay ovens, but no, they've just got a hot plate, big flat hot plate, obviously not like this, and just bang, put it on, get the spatula, flip it over, and it'll just, because it's got yeast in there, it'll just slightly rise, and that's your naan bread. Easily done, very easily done, but that smells and looks and will taste absolutely fantastic. Oh, another tip as well. Now, if it's too thin, what they'll usually add is corn flour. However, I use onion gravy. Not a great deal, and it just thickens it up. I mean, you can use corn flour if you want to, but I like to use the onion because it's got that, obviously, that bit of background flavour, and that thickens it up. Da-da. Yeah, there you go. Shut up, Stu. All the best, folks. Carry on.